Hello and welcome back to Swim. In our previous lecture, we learned about how we can install Java on Mac computer. In this lecture, we're going to try to set up Bash profile for the Mac. If you don't know what Bash profile is basically helps you to set up environment variables just like you do in Windows. So in Windows, you actually go to your properties and you actually set up your environment variables. So in Mac, you actually do that using Bash profile. So the way you can do that is I'm actually going to this website right here, redfinsolutions.com, creating a Bash profile for a Mac. And I'm actually going to follow this instruction right here. So I'm actually going to open a new terminal, okay, and I'm actually going to do cd:/. Step 2 is done. Now it says type touch -bash underscore profile. I did that. So what the touch means is actually creating a new file. It's the command in Mac, create a new file. So now I can edit the bash profile using vi-bash underscore profile. When I do that, it's actually going to open a new file like in here with nothing. Or you could do here, just like it says right here. Okay, I'm actually going to open Bash profile. What it does, it actually opens the Bash profile and you can exit it. So now we have this Bash profile in here. I'm actually going to do export Java underscore home equals. So then I'm actually going to go library. Okay, I think that's where I have installed Java. I'm actually going to do Java virtual machines. If I do ls and it says where this Java is installed, I have Java JDK 1.8. I have JDK-9. So now I'm actually going to need this path for this JDK 9. I'm actually going to set up in. So I'm actually going to do EWD, okay, this will give you this path. I'm actually going to copy this and paste it there. And I'm actually going to do JDK/contents. Now I'm actually going to save this. Okay, so now if I do vi, which actually edits, and so this is your home // means it's your home directory, then I'm actually going to do bash profile. So if I do that, you should be able to see your Java underscore home variable in this bash profile. So I'm actually going to close that. Now the other thing I need to do is source underscore // bash profile. What it does is actually reloads the bash profile to your computer. So now if I do Java version, okay, so you can see here it says Java version 9. So we've installed Java version 9, okay, in our previous lecture. Okay, then what we did is we created a bash profile, okay, new bash profile. Then we actually assigned the path, okay, of the Java to this Java underscore home variable. Then we reloaded the bash profile. Once we did that, when I do Java version, it gives me the Java version. That's it for this lecture. I will see you guys in our next lecture.